Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with freelancer.com for consistent freelance income, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the freelancer.com homepage. Look for the sign up button in the top right corner. Click on the button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your details, including your email address. Choose a strong password that you can remember easily. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Confirm your acceptance of the terms and conditions. Next, click on the Get Started button. You may be asked to verify your email address, so check your inbox. Follow the link in the confirmation email to activate your account. Once your account is activated, log into freelancer.com. Go to your profile by clicking on your username. Fill out your profile information comprehensively. Include your skills, experience, and a professional photo. A complete profile enhances your visibility to potential clients. Next, explore the membership options available. Freelancer.com offers various types of memberships, including free and paid plans. Consider your budget and the benefits of each option. Select a plan that suits your needs and click Upgrade. You will need to enter your payment details if you choose a paid membership. Ensure that your payment information is secure and accurate. Once you confirm your subscription, you will gain access to additional features. These features may include increased bidding limits and reduced fees. Start browsing available projects that match your skills. Submit proposals for projects that interest you. Be sure to personalize each proposal to address the client's requirements. Tracking your submitted proposals can help you manage your applications effectively. Monitor your account regularly for notifications from clients. Communicate promptly with clients who respond to your proposals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.